Nice to have you back, Virgo. On Monday, you will start to actively finish your tasks and deal with the plans you have outlined. Organize an active holiday, a trip related to sports, or a cultural entertainment. Evaluate in depth what not only your past but also future events mean to you. Be daring. Although you might not struggle to find the necessary patience, you could wonder how much longer you will be expected to. On Tuesday, you want to be supportive in every way to a loved one but seem to be at the mercy of circumstances that you're unable to influence or control. What someone close wants and needs from you now is understanding. You can trust wholeheartedly that it is not misplaced or taken for granted. You enjoy a good physical structure but definitely need to take precautions and care. You need to stay away from thoughtless actions that could bring stress and tensions. You have a tendency to work under extreme conditions, which, along with poor dietary habit, could also make you feel weak and tired at times. On Wednesday, take control of your well being, remain calm and focused, and don't carelessly be diverted or seduced by tempting but unhealthy distractions. Instead, look for choices that bring equilibrium into your life. Avoid the stimulating effects of coffee for prefer relaxing herbal tea. Take a long break and spend time outside in the open. You should avoid self-medication and always seek professional advice whenever necessary on matters relating to health. On Thursday, your mind is very active. You are full of ideas and inspiration. You will be constantly coming up with new plans which you will be able to plan and execute very easily. Your only problem today will be that you may feel overwhelmed by the flood of new ideas that will constantly fill your mind. You are also likely to inspire others around you to a higher level of activity. On Friday, love may be near you, but you are not able to catch the vibes. Today, focus on how people near you talk to you and behave with you. Someone near to you is yearning for your attention. There will be some confusion with people in relationship. Talk and listen to your partner, as that will solve the problem. You will spend time on taking your mental and physical fitness to back where it used to be. You need to work hard. Due to some recent injury, you may find that you are experiencing joint pain where there was not any before. On Saturday, social gatherings could be pleasantly intense. A casual conversation with someone about something trivial could become quite deep because you feel that there is more between you than meets the eye, and there probably is. Think about your next steps as well and do not hurry to proceed with their conversion. Try not to share your ideas and impressions with even your most credible friends because you will be creating problems for yourself. On Sunday, be careful meeting new people because you are in the power of emotion and your judgment is not right. The present astral energy encourages you to think about your future. Challenges are coming your way that will help you find a new approach to solve your personal problems. Someone may be in the mood to try and persuade you to go along with some very appealing plans, and you could be sorely tempted to follow blindly. Don't decline help. Do some light exercises to relieve the physical stress and strain. You will be back on your feet in no time, predicts your weekly horoscope.
Nice to have you back, Virgo. Monday. Career-oriented people and job seekers, I have some good news waiting for them. decision in this regards is postponed for now, but very soon you'll hear some good news coming your way. Keep on doing the things that you have been focusing on, and very soon things will start manifesting. Business person inclines to explore new territory to increase sales. Short-term travel in this regards bears satisfactory results in terms of having encouraging deals with new high-value customers. Business person runs the show encouragingly. And on Tuesday, sudden expenses while shopping online is possible due to deliberation of the sun. Lending money at workplace is also likely to cause losses, as likelihood of repayment is quite low, as witnessed in finance and wealth horoscope. Stay alert while handling business, as possibility of losses in business are foreseen during this time. And moving on to Wednesday. On Wednesday, Mars will also get deliberated. Take care of health of your father and grandfather in this period, as spending on their health is observed in the financial and wealth horoscope. Viewing planetary movements at the beginning, something big in offering is seen at the horizon. Things are to start picking up for you on financial front. So what you need to do is keep your horizon open and start looking at things from a holistic point of view: family, health, career, so on and so forth. On Thursday, Mercury will be with Saturn in the second house of the moon. During this time, you're likely to spend more money to decorate your house as well as to get fixed the broken communication devices which were giving you problems since long. Take your business to the optimum level with the help of proper astrological prediction, and you may just see some amazing results coming out of them. Have an open mind. Don't always follow the old rules. Get into some new exploration of the astrology. On Friday, Saturn will be in conjunction with your sign. Be careful, as such combination usually causes a lot of wealth. Moreover, presence of Saturn in the 8th house is likely to affect your health and give expenses related to the same. You need to keep enough provision for contingency while planning for your future on the financial front. Avoid taking major decisions on money matters. And finally, moving on to Saturday, things are to move well for you now, and you will see an increased flow of money here on. You are not to incur any kind of major expenses as before, but you are able to manage routine and incidental expenses comfortably. You need to refrain from financial transactions with one of the new friendship which you have recently gained. This period seems insensitive in this regards. You are to remain in a comfortable position on financial front. Make smart decisions in your life. And finally, on Sunday, you need to keep your cool even when the situation seems proactive. Refrain from taking decisions in money matters in haste driven by impulse. You need to keep effective check on unwarranted expense to remain in comfortable position on financial front. Family and household related expenses are to increase. You need to remain concerned about saving money for future need. Straighten your financial growth. Have a great week ahead.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.